And never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
I'm turning on your music. Yeah, I'm turning on music. Me just get breakfast and Korean car breakfast, man. See? Me have egg and fried breadfruit, and me have my cup of tea. So, yeah. Get fried breadfruit as me come. So, yeah, me do shell on some food, and then I get to work. Yeah. I'll sharp my machete, and play some music and chop some grass.
Now Jack is the maker, he comes around every.
I came in last night, believe it or not, and this is what I'm doing today. Could have turned sweet boy too. I'm gonna walk street, but I choose to do this because I have to get it done. Okay. Not make no sense. Come here and go on like a sweet boy. I have work to do because I know my goal. I know how I push towards. Right? So this is what I'm doing. And to tell you the truth, today is my birthday. Today is my birthday, and this is what I'm doing. My birthday and anniversary in one. Yeah. And oh, tired. I'm doing this for me and my wife. And should have been spending our anniversary together, but circumstances beyond our control, I end up have to come to Jamaica by myself. So makes no sense. Just play around and have things to get done. Yeah. I wish she were here, but unfortunately she's not. So I choose to do this. I didn't have to, but I choose to because I know my goals and I know what I'm working towards. And at the end of the day, I just have a few days here. Right, so I talked to the guys. The guy's supposed to come and do some work for me, and he told me he's gonna be here on the weekend. So I don't know. So this is one of my problem here. I have, they call them chichi, and I can't have no board here without these things eating it down. Look at this. This is one of my problem I have. And if someone who live here and like keep an eye out and take care of the place, yeah, this will not happen. But true, no one is here, so them say when puss gone, well, rat take charge. So I guess them are the rat, cause the puss not there. So in there I eat down the place, eat up my ply, them 2x4, everything. Right there I used to have plyboard back off this and they eat it down. So I end up have to use zinc, which was a wise choice, because if it wasn't zinc right now I would have come here so and they would have eat it down. So that was a good move doing that. Yeah. Some part in the house them take over the door, the back door, them eat out the door jam. The door drop off 1 inches. And then some of them are going with. So but when the house finish and reunite, totally different stuff. Spray, we forget spray. Only want to always clean, so then now you'll have an eye out. Tired again. Gonna rest. That's a good thing when you work for yourself. You can rest anytime you feel like. You can't do this overseas. If you wait till break time, or you wait till lunchtime. Yeah. So this is what I have to put on because of the sun. So hot. Me I sweat. I haven't sweat like this in a while. Holy shit, me dead. I'm hot. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe about 6 to 7 more trips out there before I finish. Because I'm not staying in the sun for too long at once. God, right now I'm out of breath. Yeah. Working, doing this work, not easy. Not easy. Respect go to all of the Jamaican worker them. Working in the sun. Although sun hot overseas, you know. And you know, but for the past couple months I've been working nights, so it's kinda easier for me. Out of the sun, work at night, sleep a day. So I don't really know the full effect of the sun. Only on weekends, like when we go to the family. Go bring the family out, like go have ice cream or stuff, go take a walk. That's how I feel the sun, because that's in the day. But otherwise, sleep through the day, get up, go to work in the night. So that's my routine. But I'm here. I have plans to do some work. It all depends on the vibe that I have and the amount of people may have to do some work for me. Right? Because right now it's hard to find a worker. Really hard to find a worker for work for you. So if me can get the worker them to do some work for me, what I plan to do, I will get it done. But if not, me just have to do stuff by myself, and what can get done just can't get done. At the end of the day, I'm one person and I can't 2 kilo myself, and me have to go back to go to work. I go over, I'm not used to myself and I'm not used to my wife. So yeah, that's the plan. Music now play, cause talk to you guys, so I'm gonna turn the music off just for now. Soon I'm gonna turn on here and all the vibes and just do what I have to do. And the idea, music give me more vibes to work, you know, kinda clear my mind, listen to the music. So I haven't heard music this loud in one year. 1 year? Yeah. So I go and beat out my ears drum. I want to boombox over, so, and it's like every time I play, I have to turn it down, because you don't want to disturb other people. And they don't want to call police for you. Yeah, so it's a good feeling when you're there and you can do anything you want to do. Play music as loud as you want, scream as loud as you want, do anything at all, as loud and brawling as you want. You can get up and have a party, which nobody business with you. Right? So nobody not care what you want to do. But not call police upon you, say yeah, disturb them and all kind of stuff. People more to come enjoy themselves too and have fun. So at the end of the day, as I say, I want to get them 2 room here, rough cast, and rent out. Because it's been a year now since I finish it and go over, and no work hasn't done. As I say, I can't get nobody for work. All them do a promise. Their promises, yes, them a come get material, them a come Last time one confirm and say yes, him a come. He say get cement cause yeah him a come. I get the cement and the cement did it for almost 2 weeks. The cement did it and nobody not show up. So me go as far as to like to wait until somebody confirms say yes them a come before me can get the cement because then idea me no want it hard up. Right? And I wait until I get confirmation say yes, somebody say yes, them will come give me some days. And in the idea they not come. And the cement is here. So if they not come, me not because you do it myself. Right? I can rough cast it myself. I can do the work myself, but it's a time I don't have. Right? I can do it, and if they not show up, that's exactly what I have to do because I can't. At the end of the day, I can't let me cement. We can't let me cement them hard up because I'm money. Right now everything expensive. Right? So that's my plan. I know it's so hot. There's a sit down and all a reason and get to the shady. Get down shade. So look at the sky. Sunny. But I think the idea them say when the sun gone in, a rain. And when the rain a fall, you can't do no work. So you have to just choose one. I just choose to do it in the sun because you have to get it done. But I'm gonna go back out and do some more weeding, and as my day go on, I just bring you guys along with me. If I'm going anywhere, if I'm going on the road, I just bring you guys to show you how the place bush up. Jamaica bush up like everywhere bush because rain a fall and the place just green up. Yeah, even when I'm coming up from Antigua Bay, like the road is like the road up, like they close in because of the amount of bushes on the side of the road. No road weeding or anything, so I don't know. Maybe Soundfest a come up, so maybe them do some road cleaning. We always do road cleaning when a Soundfest politician them. So enough funny politics. Alright.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my